Tired of juggling sticky notes, scattered files, and 10 different apps just to plan one idea? It's time to streamline your workflow with just one tool, EdrawMax. The new V14.5 update is now live across desktop, web, and mobile, packed with powerful new features to help you work faster and smarter. Need to turn an idea into a diagram fast? The new AI Diagram Creator, now integrated into both desktop and mobile homepages, lets you do just that with a few simple keywords. Instantly generate flowcharts, mind maps, timelines, slides, and more, all from a single prompt. Want a specific style? Pick a template first, then let AI bring your ideas to life. Whether you're a student, manager, marketer, or analyst, now you can draw like a pro with just one click. Introducing Photo to Diagram, a part of AI Diagram Creator. On mobile version, which is more lighter and smarter on your phone. More importantly, it uses your camera to its full potential. Snap a photo, upload it, and watch as it becomes a clean flowchart, an eye-catching infographic, a timeline, or even a social media post. No design skills needed, just point, click, and create. We've been always listening to your feedback. EdrawMax V14.5 brings a massive expansion of symbols, especially for floor plans, electrical engineering, and network diagrams. We have also added brand new templates, including event venue layouts and other useful planning, designed to match real-world use cases and help you get started instantly. So why use 10 tools when one does it all? EdrawMax 14.5, visible thinking, efficient expression, ready to create. It's just one click away.